Te tau hokwa tole vaeni ki he contestant figure tolu. Ladies and gentlemen, moving along now to contestant number 13 to grace our Heilala stage this evening is none other than Miss Apraxis Nasita Production, Lolohea Salome Liekina He Ofa Vayangina. Lolohea Salome Liekina He Ofa Vayangina is 21 years old. She is currently studying tourism at the International Travel College of Aotearoa, New Zealand. Her goal in the future is to become a flight attendant, teach tourism, or work anywhere in the tourism industry. She hopes to gain confidence in the pageant and hoping that it will help her find herself. Heralding from the land of the long white cloud, Aotearoa, New Zealand, contestant number 13 is Miss Apraxis Nasita Production, the one and only Lolohea Salome Liekina He Ofa Vayangina. Miss Apraxis Nasita is 21 years old.
Ko e whakamatara ke te unga taurunga o e Miss Apraxis Nasita Production o e wawhe tahiwa. Ko re ke hufanga tu i ngahi tala whakatapu ko kamata ke Polokalamani. Kai ata ke whakwatu hoku uhinga mo e kakei taurunga ki e pōni. Ko au Lolohea Salome he lotu whaleta Vayangina. Ko e whanau tamau ai futu ko holani. Maka ko walu, masila mea pe mo whahewa. Isa e makaunga he lotu pe mo e kolo kakala. Ko te unga, ko e koloa mahu ingaya ai tonga ko e ngatu uli. O ku kosi whakatai pe ia, ko e wala tui. O whapipiki ia ki e tonga ko e fu. Kahoa, ko e pito i ngalau, tui whawai pipitongi, pia fungani i e wala tui e kakala ko e nusi palataha, ai ala mea pe mo e whaotia, pia hirio ai ai whakamata moana. Teki ko e ala mea mo e wewe Heilala. Kie, ko e kie ne kosi e whatatau ki e teunga, ko e teunga iloa ia ai kolo tala mei he whao ne lua. Kauta mea whao ne lua, Whasi taualunga ko e puna ke. Whakapapatu Lolohea Salome he lotu. Whaleta Vayangina, Miss Apraxis Nasita Production, Huawei Tahiwa.
Ladies and gentlemen, contestant 13, Miss Praxis Nasita Production, Lolohea, Salome, Liekina Heofa, Vayangina, from the land of the long white cloud, Aotearoa, New Zealand. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant 13, Miss Praxis Nasita Production, Lolohea Salome Liakina Heofa Vayangina, 21 years old, and currently a student of tourism at the International Travel College of Aotearoa, New Zealand. And of course, she has a future goal to be a flight attendant, to teach tourism, or work anywhere in the tourism industry. She hopes to gain confidence in the Heilala pageant and hoping that it will help her find herself and her future.